Bannayuganda mwenna mutegeezebwa nti akakiiko k'ebyokulonda kateekateeka okuzza obujja enkalala zaffe ez'ebyokulonda wamu n'okuwandiisa abakadde n'abo abateesobola. Enteekateeka eno egenda kubeera ku buli muluka okwetooloola eggwanga lyonna okumala ennaku 20. Okutandika ng'ennaku z'omwezi 2 omwezi guno ogwa January 2025 okutuusa ng'ennaku z'omwezi 10 omwezi gwa February 2025 buli lunaku okuva ku ssaawa 2 ez'okumakya okutuusa ku ssaawa 12 ez'akawungeezi nga kw'otadde olw'omukaaga ne Sande awamu n'ennaku enkulu zonna. Okuzza obujja enkalala kugendereddwamu okwongeramu ebikwata ku balonzi abatuukiridde ebitali mu lukalala lw'abalonzi olw'eggwanga. Ku mulundi guno bino wammanga bye bijja okuba nga bikolebwa: okuwandiisa abalonzi abapya ate nga batuukiridde, okukyusa ebiwandiiko ebikwata ku balonzi abandyagadde okukyusaamu ku bifo we balondera, okutereeza ebikwata ku balonzi ebyawandiikibwa mu bukyamu n'ebyo
leaders that are defined under the second schedule of the Leadership Code Act, who must declare their income, assets and liabilities every 2 years, and it is only in the month of March. Ladies and gentlemen, you will remember that in March 2023, all leaders under this category were called to declare their income, assets and liabilities. And they did. To a large extent, 88% of them did. It is now 2 years since then. So next month, the month of March 2025, they are required again to declare their income, assets, and liabilities to the IGG. We are therefore here to remind government employees who fall under this category to remind themselves to perform this constitutional obligation. To perform the constitutional obligation. We are here to inform leaders about March 2025. It's a declaration period. We shall clarify who is to declare, when to declare, what to declare, and the consequences of failing to declare. The Leadership Code Act, Cap 33, requires specified leaders to declare their income. The month of March, as I said, and the Leadership Code Act mandates the Inspectorate of Government and the Leadership Code Tribunal to enforce the Leadership Code of Conduct. As you are aware, as I said, the last declaration was in March. So this declaration period is due this March, next month. So we are here to give notice to leaders who are specified under this schedule to prepare themselves. Some people are in the midst of transactions, others are in the midst of concluding transactions, selling or buying, but we are giving you a notice of 1 month so that you get your assets, income and liabilities in order to declare them for extension of this period. So the portals, the system will be opened on midnight of 1st March 2025 and close at 11:59 p.m. of 31st March 2025, and there's no provision in the Constitution for extension of time. So the Uganda culture of asking for extension of time is not provided for. We have to go to Parliament to amend the law if you want that done. I would like to inform the general public that the Inspector of Government has been receiving online declarations from leaders since 2017, and the compliance rate has been steadily increasing from 85% in 2017 to 90% in 2023. This time round, we expect and we aim for 100% compliance. I wish to state that a good number of leaders who did not submit their declarations in March were prosecuted in the Leadership Code Tribunal for failure to declare and were punished. Be careful, be sure that you do not fall among this category, because this time round, with increased awareness, they are going to have harsher reprisals. We therefore appeal to all leaders to comply with this requirement, short of which we shall not hesitate to prosecute them in the Leadership Code Tribunal for failure to declare, and this time seek for harsh punishment, including dismissal.